Hey, this is Waylon Zarinsky with WisconsinDiscountFireworks.com. Discount Fireworks. I'm at the Ripon store. I was asked to do a specific video on artillery this year, so here it is. Sniper Fire 12 packs by Raccoon, $40. Double Thump 12 packs, $57. Donut shells, $30. Super Magnum artillery shell 12 pack, $33. 5-inch Echo in the Ear, $24. 5-inch Nishiki Blast, $24. Sorted Whistling Buster, $11. Festival Ball, $10. Sorted Artillery, $11. Festival Ball, $8. Neon Brawn, $27. We also have 4-inch Excaliburs, $90. This is my last Mega Shell by Firestar. We won't be getting these this year, I don't think. It's $88. We have the mini shell kits, $5. Let Freedom Ring, $84. Neon Skies, $72. Holy Nishiki, $87. 5-inch Excalibur Platinum, $100. Heavyweights, $51. Neon Beach, $93. 5-inch Canister Shells by Raccoon, $80. 6-inch King Dragons, $98. G-Force, $84. And the giant neon 5-inch canister shells by Firestar for $95. And we also have the Ghost-tacular, $89. Alright, if anybody has any other requests, let me know. If you have any requests for certain demos, any case you'd like to see, let me know. Feel free to always text, call, or ask any questions. Thank you.